Hello Creative Cooks, welcome to another episode of the Creative Phebe Cooks channel. I'm Phebe and I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Today I'm sharing 3 anti-inflammatory juices you can make this weekend without a juicer to beat any form of chronic inflammation in your body. For that, I'll be sharing when is the best time to drink each of these vitamin and mineral rich drinks, a simple tip to make these drinks without added sugar, and what to look out for when shopping for fresh ginger root, which is a powerful ingredient against inflammation. All these drinks are perfect for meal prep. They're all loaded with healthy properties and vitamins to help you achieve your fitness goals in unique ways as well. As you know, part of a successful meal plan is having a good quencher like a juice you drink every morning, an immunity shot, or a smoothie that contributes to helping you achieve your health goals. But what if you do not own a juicer or don't like smoothies? So let's begin with this 2-ingredient coconut limeade, a natural elixir that is sure to boost up your energy levels before and after a workout, since coconut water is widely known as nature's Gatorade. I like to think of that as a natural energy replenishment and beats inflammation. Use a hammer to break as many coconuts as you need to harvest fresh coconut water over a clean bowl. I have 2 here. You can make this once a day or make a batch of it that will last you a few days to save time. Save the coconut meat to make shredded coconut or coconut milk for your recipes. I have the recipe for the coconut milk in my cookbook, and you may find a link for that below. To the coconut water, add in some key lime juice, which also tastes great and does wonders for your health, like boosting up your vitamin C levels. Whatever you do, refrain from boxed coconut water. It's full of preservatives that you really do not need. Many times the sweetness of the coconut water is just right, so if you're staying away from added sugar, this is a phenomenal drink to add to your meal planners, especially that it only requires 2 ingredients and no juicer. This coconut limeade is full of antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and perfect to drink after a sweaty workout to refuel your electrolyte and mineral levels. As well as, it just tastes amazing. You can also have it whenever you want to recharge during your day. Next is ginger beer without the beer or alcohol. Since childhood, this is the name I've always known it for. You can also call it ginger drink or a ginger shot. This one is hot. It's invigorating and must be paired with limes or lemons to truly enjoy it as a powerful immunity shot or drink. For this, you'll need a good amount of fresh ginger root, some freshly squeezed limes or lemons, clove buds, honey, or your favorite natural sweetener, and spring water, not filtered water. Peel the ginger by scraping it with a spoon and cut it into chunks. Feel free to adjust the spice level of the ginger depending on your spice tolerance. If you're enjoying this video, let me know by giving this video a huge thumbs up, sharing it with your loved ones, and subscribe so you get notified when I share recipes like these that can help you achieve your diet and fitness goals and your overall health goals. Thank you. I'm cutting up a few key limes here to harvest enough fresh key lime juice for this drink. This is the only drink out of the 3 that needs a blender. So if you do not have a juicer but have a trusted blender, Add this one to your list of drinks to make soon. It only takes about 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish. Blend the chunks of ginger with water until the mixture turns to a runny paste. While that's blending, here's what to look out for when shopping for fresh ginger root at your store. Scan through a fresh collection at your grocery store. Pick one with the skin still intact and make sure it has visible eyes or buds like this, and this, so you can grow some ginger at home and use in your curries, juices, hot beverages like golden milk, and so much more. But never store ginger while it's wet. Like other root produce such as potatoes, beets, turmeric, and others similar to those, make sure your ginger is dry and wrap it in a brown paper or tissue to prevent it from drying out or wrinkling in the fridge. Store it in a cool place after wrapping it up or in the fridge to keep it well for weeks. I have the full recipe for this ginger drink in my cookbook, Eat Joyfully, which you can download using the link below. After straining the ginger juice with a sieve or sterilized nut milk bag, season it with citrus juice, that would be key lime juice in my case, together with cloves and honey. The cloves act as a natural body detoxifier and an anti-inflammatory ingredient that one must have in their pantry at all times for holistic remedies. To skip out on the sweetener, I'd suggest you use fresh coconut water instead of spring water, and voila! This ginger juice is best to drink as often as possible to combat any symptoms of cold or flu, or even you're feeling just a little bit under the weather, even if it's not malady or sickness related. If you add beets to this drink and have it before a workout, you'll feel replenished, and there is no telling what moves you cannot do at that gym or at home. Because a lot of research shows that beets are also a powerful ingredient to include in your diet to optimize your fitness training. Stir the drink up and chill it in the fridge so the flavors can have some time to mingle before you can enjoy it. By the way, all the nutritional value and health benefits I'm sharing on these phenomenal drinks are based on my continuous love for reading and research and not medical advice. So remember to do your research or talk to a holistic doctor to know what works best for you. The next drink is sorrel juice, which has many different names depending on where you're from, such as Sobolo drink from Ghana, Zobo drink from Nigeria, Roselle from Australia, and Bissap juice from my lovely home country, the Gambia. Together with the ginger juice, it was one I also had a lot of during my childhood era and was a winner. Any day, anytime, my family and I had it like a popsicle. Let's make some as I reminisce on those memories. I'm starting off with dried red sorrel blossoms that you can get from any ethnic store, online, or your garden if you cultivate sorrel plants. I'll rinse it with room temperature water, spring water of course, to remove dust and grit. When the blossoms grow on the sorrel plant, they start off white and can be added to soups. I mean African soups like egusi or shakwa. If you have tried either of these, comment down below. Shakpa is my favorite, I miss it, and my mother makes it the best. Soak the rinsed blossoms in boiled water to extract the flavor and color. The sorrel blossoms are tart, like cranberries, and when used well and paired with the right ingredients, the tart flavor is quite palatable. The longer you steep the blossoms, the more tart the drink will be, and I'll let it steep for a few hours, but you can let it steep for up to 20 to 30 minutes to gauge the tart taste. You may soak it longer or shorter depending on what you'd like. Sorrel leaves, blossoms, and therefore sorrel juice are rich in vitamin C for efficient absorption of iron and collagen production, and thereby supporting the body's overall immune system. To get the full recipe details for each of these drinks, check out my blog at creativephebe.com, and while you're there, be sure to sign up for your free grocery planner to help you stay efficient and even more peaceful during your grocery errands. Once the sorrel steeping liquid has reached room temperature, prepare another bowl and line a sieve with a sterilized flour sack, towel, or nut milk bag to strain and remove any sediments or grit the sorrel may have been harvested with. Then flavor the drink with lime juice, honey, and fresh peppermint leaves. You may also opt for maple syrup or agave if you prefer. If you take iron supplements, you need vitamin C to help you absorb the iron. So aside from orange juice, you can use sorrel juice, which also has a good amount of vitamin C, to take your iron supplements. I thought of substituting the spring water for coconut water in this case, but maybe another time. The peppermint leaves add a burst of freshness to this drink. You may chill this juice for the flavors to mingle before drinking it, or have it warm as an herbal tea to complement any meal, or simply quench your thirst any time of the day. That's 3 anti-inflammatory drinks you can make this weekend without a juicer. They're loaded with health benefits, and I'm excited to know in the comments which one you will try first. Creative Cooks, thank you so much for watching. Chat with you in my next episode. Goodbye.